Assalamu alaikum grade 3. I am your Islamiyat teacher with lesson number 11 from unit number 2, Allah. Grade 3, as you already know that Allah is creator and sustainer of the whole world. He begets not and nor is begotten. He is one, and the oneness of Allah forms the core belief of Islam. Grade 3. Being Muslim, belief in oneness of Allah is very important because it's the first pillar of Islam. Grade 3. Allah has blessed us a lot. He has blessed us with our parents who love and care for us. He has given us many good things that we need in life. Allah made daytime for us to do our work and night for us to sleep. So grade 3, we should always thank Allah for all the blessings. Now you can see the vocabulary list. New people will learn and write these words. Here is your home assignment. Does Allah have a family? And why has Allah made the day and night? This is all for today. Allah Hafiz.